Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's my recipe is about chicken salad with French dressing. First of all, I would like to tell you how to make French dressing. We need 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1/3 cup oil, an empty jar, lemon, salt, black pepper and sugar. Now add these ingredients in the empty jar and shake it well. For making chicken salad, we need chopped cucumber, some olives, some almonds and sliced chicken. We also need some mayonnaise and finely chopped dhania. Mix all these ingredients in the bowl. Add French dressing on it. Now put this salad on a cabbage leaf